Gasol backs up Gobert. Batum on the run. Here we go. Here Batum. And Lillard erupts. All the way over to Rudy Fernandez. Sets his feet, puts it up. It's good. A three-pointer is made. They've taken the lead.
¿Qué fue eso? ¿Ustedes oyeron eso?
Wow. Pues allá el trailer. Vamos a ver.
Vamos para ver, vamos allá.
Do not be afraid. I am a messenger from God. The Lord says, put together a team and build me a wall.
Do you want us to build a what?
A wall. Put together a team and build me a wall.
Yo no entiendo.
Put together a team and build me a wall.
A wall?
Yes, a wall.
What do you want us to build a wall for?
God says, put together a team and build me a wall.
Eso no tiene ningún sentido.
I know how to play piano, but I don't know how to build a wall.
Una pared, ¿para qué?
How are we going to build a wall? What kind of wall do you want us to build?
No sé, él quiere que nosotros hagamos una pared.
Hey, but-
No entiendo.
Hey, where do you go? Hello?
Oye, JD, hay que comenzar a organizar esto. Yo no sé, hay que envolver a todo el mundo. Llámate a Xavier con todo el grupo de los jóvenes, Claudia, con los niños, todos esos voluntarios, toda la iglesia, hay que envolverlo en esto.
Ok.
¿Sabes? Porque si no, imagínate,
Vamos a tener que hacerlo así.
hay que envolver a toda la iglesia.
Parcero, I'm here, man.
Hi.
Listening to music. What's up?
Look, Gilbert, Papo, and I are gathered here. We just received a message from the Lord, and He told us to build a wall.
What?
What?